Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a powerful combo TypeScript with React Native. If you've ever found yourself chasing down type-related bugs in your mobile app, you're going to love this. Setting it up is surprisingly simple. When you're creating a new React Native project, you can use the TypeScript template right from the start. Just run the command npx react native init myapp template react native template TypeScript. The CLI handles all the heavy lifting, setting up your tsconfig.json and converting the default app component to a tsx file. Once it's done, you can open the project in your favorite editor, run npm run iOS or npm run Android, and you'll see your new TypeScript-powered app running. It's that easy. You get all the benefits of static typing, like autocompletion and error checking, right out of the box. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more developer tips. Catch you in the next one.